Hello students, welcome to Vivid Botany. Here we have a question about secondary metabolites. See, we have seen this question many number of times in NEET exam. So here, let me tell you what are secondary metabolites, what is the main difference in between them. I told you earlier also, the primary metabolites have identifiable function, that is known function. Secondary metabolites do not have known function, they got unknown functions. And primary metabolites are produced in large quantities. Secondary metabolites are produced in little quantities. Primary metabolites are directly involved in growth, development, reproduction of the plant. Secondary metabolites are not involved in growth, reproduction, and the development. Now, let me tell you what are the features of the secondary metabolites and what is their main function. For example, when a pathogen attacks upon plant, the pathogen has to cross the barriers and the plant can respond. The plant can produce the secondary metabolites. See, when a pathogen attacks upon a plant, the pathogen has to cross or breach it has to cross the barriers or it has to breach the plant's barriers. Then the plant responds in the form of secondary metabolites. That is, the plant will produce secondary metabolites, which are generally toxic compounds, which are generally toxic. So, for this, we can give examples that has glycol cyanide. Right. So, this glycol cyanide is very toxic and it will harm the pathogen. And plant also produces antimicrobial chemicals. Plants also produce antimicrobial chemicals or antimicrobial proteins also. Right, antimicrobial enzymes also. So that are able to defend the plant against the so-called pathogens. So this is the main important thing that we see. For example, we have terpenes, terpenes, nitrogen, phenolics, sulfur containing compounds. All these are able to kill various herbivores also, and they protect the plant against abiotic stress. Terpenes, phenolics, nitrogen, sulfur containing compounds, nitrogen and sulfur containing compounds. They control herbivores and also protect the plant from abiotic stress. So these are what we call the unknown effects that are produced by plant, but actually they are not unknown. They are known functions. They are produced by plant to respond, to kill, to control, to regulate the pathogens, pests, insects, herbivores, right, browsers, like that. So here the question is nicotine, strychnine, caffeine. These three are produced by plants for their defense action. This is the answer is defense action. We know that nicotine is produced by Nicotiana tobacco, that is tobacco plant. This is, and Strychnus nux vomica. It is a toxicant plant, nux vomica, from which strychnine is produced. Caffeine is produced from coffee plant, that is Coffea arabica. Coffea arabica. So this is very popular question. Every year we are finding the secondary metabolites, primary metabolites. Match the following. Which of the following is not secondary metabolite? Which of the following are secondary metabolites? And find out the list of primary metabolites. What is the difference between primary metabolites and secondary metabolites? What is the usage of primary metabolite? What is the usage of secondary metabolite? Like these type of questions, and we have a table also in the NCI textbook. I suggest you to be thorough with those tables, and any question can be asked at any point of that biomolecules. This question is being asked from biomolecules. So if you want detailed discussion about this question, about this concept, please drop a like, make a comment, do respond in the YouTube channel. We are discussing this question in Vivid Botany, the YouTube channel. And do subscribe my channel Vivid Botany for your future course of preparation for the NEET exam. So thank you very much.